Welcome to this tutorial, an introduction to Google Docs. Google Docs is a powerful tool that will allow you to share documents with coworkers without emailing them. One document exists and everyone can access it that's been given permission. To get to Google Docs, from your Gmail account, you'll come to the application bar, click Documents. This will open up either a new tab or a new window. In this, I'm using the new user interface for Google Docs. You see my list of current documents that I have access to, as well as who the owner is. Some of them you'll see that are me, as well as others, when it was last modified and by whom. Here you see Home. I could look at Start. I have the ability to star Google Docs. I could look at just items owned by me and narrow it down and see just those. There's a trash, and then of course there's an all items. Another feature of Google Docs is called collections, and we will talk about those in a later video. But to start off now, we just want to create a Google Doc. You'll notice there's a big red create button. If you don't have a big red create button, you will see a gray create, and when you click on it, you get a drop down. You can create a document very similar to a Microsoft Word document, a presentation, a spreadsheet, a form, drawing, and then a collection, or a document from template. For now, we're just going to say create document. It brings up this screen. It looks very similar to Microsoft Word. We have our menu bar. We have a place here to name our document. We can click on it and give it a name. We're going to call this just a test document. We click OK, and now it's named. We also have some icons, different types of text, headers, normal text. Font selection is a little better than in previous versions, but still not a lot of font options, size options, and then some of your basic formatting features. You will notice that nowhere on the page is there a save button. Google automatically every several seconds will save your changes. So you would create this document like a normal Microsoft Word document. Now, unlike Microsoft Word, it did not autocorrect. The power of Google Docs is in the sharing and collaboration. Formatting features, they have them, but they're not as strong as Microsoft Word or the other Office products. To share this document, you come over to the Share button. You click Share, and you have the opportunity then to type in the names of the or email addresses of the people you want to share with. So I'm going to type in Dante. Now here I have options. I can give Dante permission to edit my document or only make comments, which we'll talk about in another video, or just view. So you have a choice. If you want the person or persons looking at this document to be able to edit and make changes, they can do that. They could add just comments to it but make no changes, or they could only see view. Now I could add Dante with edit, and then I can say save and share, and this is going to send Dante an email letting him know that I have shared this document. And then I hit save and share. There was a place where I could also have added a message. Now if I wanted to add someone, maybe I wanted to add Don Nichols, but only give Don Nichols the ability to comment. And then I would say share and save, and it just emailed Don to let him know that I've given him access to this document. So I could also add a group. There's a customer service group. I could type in IMT CSL, and now it's going to share this document with whatever privileges I give them to the entire group. So you have lots of options when it comes to sharing. Now, I'm not going to share this group, so I'm going to hit cancel, and then I'm done. And if one of them were to be available, they could actually come into the document. The way it looks when someone shares a document with you, here's a document that Joey has shared with me. I open the document. It tells me that it's from Joey Mavity, and he's shared a document called Public Folders Primary Users. I could click on it. It would open it up in Google Docs. If I look at my Google Docs list, I can see that it's already listed here as well. So there's two ways I can access this document. That's all I'm going to talk about right now with creating and sharing a basic document. It works the same way whether you're doing a spreadsheet or a presentation or a form. If you have any questions, feel free to contact training@apu.edu. Thank you.